DS Automobiles unveiled its latest creation, DS3 Crossback becomes new DS3. The design language of the rest of the DS Automobiles range is applied with a redesigned grille, wider and enhanced with gloss black or chrome diamond tips depending on the model. The new daytime running lights feature two LED lines vertically arranged either side of the front for a distinctive and widening signature, consistent with the latest DS Automobiles design language. The driving position has changed with the adoption of a new steering wheel, regrouping controls for driver aids and infotainment buttons, and combined with gearshift paddles for automatic gearboxes. A new 10.3-inch high-definition central screen is now offered as standard, with the new DS Iris System infotainment system built in.